Elsie.
And I'm Aubrey.
And we are part of the book budget team
And we're unboxing this big box of books.
from Abta. So grab the side
do
now.
it.
So we have these books, and this one says, so they're like, why do, how does, why do, science questions.
Yes, this one says, how does the body heal?
And this one says, why do volcanoes erupt?
And how does plumbing work?
So they're like science books.
It's like science questions.
And then next one.
Superstars.
Oh, okay. These
So
are
Tom
the
Holland.
extras.
So there's 3 copies.
Extras over the book budget thing. Or not the book budget. And then there's this one person.
There's 3 copies of Lizzo.
And then there's whoever this is.
There's 3 copies of Zendaya.
No, just 2.
Oh, 2 copies.
And then there's
2 copies.
And then there's these planet books. So they have Earth, another Earth, Saturn, and another Saturn. And then there's like, I think
Okay, and then wait, we need to find a so
I
put
have
Saturn,
Earth and
all
Saturn.
Saturns right there. So there's I think
3 Earth, and then we have Jupiter, 3 Jupiter,
here's another Saturn. So there's 3 Saturns, 3 Earths,
and then there's 3 Mars, and then there's
3 Uranuses,
Mercury. We have, how many Mercuries do we have? Is this a Mercury? Yeah.
Yep, we have
2 Mercury.
2 Mercuries
We might
and 3 Venuses.
And then we have this. Oh, I'll let you go.
And then there's 2 more of the science questions. We have how do fish breathe and cocoa beans.
And then there's this one, which is NASCAR biographies, and it's about Dale Earnhardt Jr.
We have another NASCAR biography, and it's by Jimmy Johnson.
Jimmy Johnson. And then there's these like. What? I don't know. Maybe. Your turn.
Okay, so there's one space book, it's called SpaceX.
And then there's these. These are like field guides for kids. So this one's fish. We have 2 copies of the fish. And then there's one, I think, of mammals. Field guides for kids, mammals.
And there's this Minecraft book, and it's actually a comic book. It's a story about Minecraft, I think.
It says Minecraft on the cover.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's about Minecraft, though. Okay, you can finish.
So there's a Cinderella book, actually called Fairy Tales as Told by Cinderella.
What does it look like on the inside? So it's like
It's like a Cinderella, but like she's like a kid. Like it's kind of like a different story, I guess.
or like a different person in some ways, but it has like the same story. Like Goldilocks.
And these are all stories, fairy tales as told by, and there's a Goldilocks.
And do these? Wait, this one has like a dog on it.
Yeah, I think they're different.
It's
stories.
like a dog instead of a bear. Goldilocks and 3 dogs.
And then there's fairy tales as told by Hansel and Gretel.
What's
And
this
that's
one?
yeah.
What's different? I don't know the whole story of Hansel and Gretel. Oh, it's the witch dog. I don't want to open this. Look, it's so new and stiff. I don't want to wreck it.
And then this is the last one. Wait, there's actually one more.
There is.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, right. Wait, no, I want to show.
Okay, so there's Fairies as told by Little Red Riding Hood.
And what's different about this one? I'm sorry, I just always want to see the difference. I think like there's a dog. The dog, the grandma.
I don't know. The superstars.
Okay, and then there's this one, which is the princess and the pea. And I don't even know the story. I have a quilt with it on.
Okay, and then there's books about the presidents. There's one about Barack Obama, and one about Joe Biden. And then there's Animal Kingdom and Hikers.
And then this is
There's three copies of Billie Eilish.
And then there's I don't know this guy.
Chance the rapper.
And then
There's only one of those, I think.
yeah, there's only one.
And then there's
3 of these. Who are this guy?
Chadwick Boseman.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. No, stop. Yeah.
That's
Bye.
pretty much it.
That's pretty much it that we got from Abdo Kids, and yeah, luckily all those books that we added into the library, we can go and read them all.
I hope you enjoyed all of them, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Bye.
Bye. Superhero ones? Wait, what are these? No, these are super stone. Actually heavier than what I expected.
That's actually kind of funny.
You are